Hello, my name is Nima. I'm 25 years old. I'm a software developer and I have a master's in artificial intelligence. I started this channel to share my knowledge and possibly help people. So, to get started, you need to download an IDE. I recommend Visual Studio Code. It's free, it's really good. You can download it from the Microsoft official website. So to get started, create a folder wherever you like. I created mine named project in the desktop. Open VS Code. Click on open folder and select your folder. Alright, now click on new file. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it index.html. Don't forget the .html part. Create a file. So now we want to tell our browser that our document is HTML. So we are going to type this is it. This is what's gonna tell to the browser that this document is HTML. So render it as an HTML. So now we're going to make our HTML structure. These are called tags. When you close it, it's going to automatically create the end tag. But if it didn't, you should definitely type it and don't forget it. An HTML website has a head like a person, a body, in the head tag we will write some information about our website, and in our body tag we are going to put our website's contents, whether that's tables, header, footer, images, all of it. Also, don't forget to save your code. You can save it from here or just type in Ctrl S. See that that small circle disappeared. So in order to launch our code, we need a server in our own computer. It's called a local server. We go to extensions and we type live. What you need to do is you need to install this. I've already installed it, so I can do it again, but install it. Also, enable autosave from the file menu so that sometimes the power goes out or something, so that your code is always saved. Okay, so now in order to launch our code, we right click on it and we click on this open with live server. Since our code doesn't have any content on it, it's just gonna show a white screen, and that's it. This URL, this address right here is our local server, aka our computer. So each website has a title. We use the title tag and we write something random. We save it, and then here we can see my first website. One of the great things about the Lifesaver extension is when you make some changes to your code and save it, it instantly changes on the browser too, and you don't need to refresh or anything. So now I want to add a paragraph to my website. We are going to use the p tag, which stands for, paragraph. We are just going to type something random. Here it is. You can see it because we had the autosave on, it automatically saved, and now it shows it in our live server. Sorry. Now we're gonna add an image. We use the img tag. As you can see, it doesn't have any closing tag like the rest of them. It used to have a closing tag, but in the newest HTML updates they removed it, so now it's just this tag img. The image tag has two attributes, one called src, which is short for source, and the other one is called alt, which is short for alternative. The source is where your image is located, and the alt, if your image doesn't load for many reasons, alt will show a text instead of the image. So in our project folder, I created an image folder to store our images. I've chosen a random image. So now we're going to type a /, select our folder and our image. It should come here. Yes, there it is. The alternative, we are going to type in alt text. Okay, now let's say our photo is unavailable for some reason. We're gonna delete it so that I can show you. Okay, now that our photo is unavailable, we can see the alt text here because the image is unable to load. These are called attributes, and they exist inside the tag, not between them, inside the tag. So that's all for today. I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to practice. Bye.